You want to improve your everyday English conversations? Today, we're going to learn 30 common English phrases that you can use in your everyday conversations. These phrases are the building blocks of communication, helping us express our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. By using them, you can make your conversations more natural and fluent, enhancing your connection with others. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these phrases will certainly come in handy. Ready to take your English conversation skills to the next level? Let's dive right in. Our first 10 phrases are perfect for starting a conversation, asking for help, and expressing gratitude. Let's dive right in. First off, we have, "How are you doing?" This phrase is a friendly greeting used to ask about someone's well being. For instance, you might say, "How are you doing today, Susan?" Next up is, "What's up?" which is a casual way to inquire about what someone is doing or how they're feeling. You might use it like this: "Hey, Tom, what's up?" The third phrase is, "I don't know." It's used when you're unsure or lack information. For example, "I don't know the answer to that question." Moving on to, "I'm sorry." This phrase is an apology or expression of regret for something you did, like, "I'm sorry for being late." Our fifth phrase is, "Thank you." It's a polite way to express gratitude. For instance, "Thank you for your help, Anna." Then we have, "You're welcome." It's a response to "thank you," indicating that it was no trouble at all. You might say, "You're welcome. Happy to help." We also have "excuse me." This phrase is used to get someone's attention or apologize for a minor inconvenience. For example, "Excuse me, can you pass the salt?" Our eighth phrase is "please." It's a polite word used when making a request, like, "Please pass me the menu." Then there's, "Can you help me?" It's a question asking for assistance. For example, "Can you help me carry these bags?" Finally, for our 10th phrase, we have, "Nice to meet you." It's a polite way to greet someone you're meeting for the first time. You might say, "Nice to meet you, I'm John." Remember, practicing these phrases will help you get more comfortable using them in your everyday conversations. Now let's move on to our next set of phrases. These will help you express your feelings and ask for information. Phrase 11 is, "What's your name?" This question is used to ask someone for their name. For instance, "Hi, what's your name?" Next, we have, "I love you." This is an expression of deep affection. An example would be, "I love you more than anything." Phrase 13 is, "How's it going?" This is a casual way to ask how someone is doing or how their day is progressing. You might say, "Hey, how's it going?" Moving on to, "See you later." This is a friendly way to say goodbye when you expect to see the person again soon. For example, "See you later, have a great day." The next phrase is "goodbye." This is a standard way to say farewell. You might say, "Goodbye, take care." "Yes, please" is an affirmative response when you want something. For instance, "Yes, please, pass me the salt." On the contrary, "No thanks" is a polite way to decline an offer. Example, "No thanks, I'm not hungry." "I'm hungry" is a statement indicating you need food. Like, "I'm hungry, let's grab lunch." "I'm thirsty" and "I'm tired" indicate you need a drink or rest, respectively. For example, "I'm thirsty, can I have some water?" Or, "I'm tired after a long day at work." Keep practicing these phrases and you'll soon find yourself using them naturally in your conversations. Our last set of phrases are all about asking questions and responding to them. Let's go through them. Phrase number 21 is, "What time is it?" This is a straightforward question to inquire about the current time. For instance, "Excuse me, what time is it?" Next up, "Where are you from?" This question is about someone's place of origin. For example, "Where are you from originally?" Phrase number 23, "How old are you?" is a question inquiring about someone's age, like, "How old are you turning this year?" Moving on to the 24th phrase, "What do you do for a living?" This is a question about someone's profession or job. For instance, "What do you do for a living?" Phrase number 25, "Let's go," is an invitation to start an activity or leave a place. For example, "Let's go to the movies." Next, "How was your day?" This is a question asking about someone's day and experiences, like, "How was your day at school?" Phrase number 27, "I'm fine," is a response indicating that you're doing well. For instance, "How are you feeling?" "I'm fine." The 28th phrase, "It's okay," is a reassurance that everything is acceptable or forgiven. For example, "I'm sorry I spilled the coffee." "It's okay, accidents happen." Phrase number 29, "I have to go," is a statement indicating that you need to leave. Like, I have to go. I have an appointment. Lastly, what's the weather like? This is a question about current weather conditions. For instance, what's the weather like today? With these phrases in your arsenal, you're all set to engage in interesting and meaningful English conversations. Well, that's it. Those were 30 common phrases used in everyday English. Incorporate these phrases into your daily chats and watch how they enrich your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep practicing.